Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a sarees haul for you guys. As I mentioned in my previous videos, my brother's wedding is coming up, so I recently went to the launch of RSK Silks, and they have a new store in Chanda Nagar, and it's a pretty huge store. They have a lot of variety this time, and I already did one video about RK collections earlier. It's by the same brand, and this is RSK Silks and it's in Chanda Nagar. So you have all different price ranges here. So last time I showed a lot of affordable price range sarees, which were like more on the side of fancy sarees, but this time I have a lot of different variety, and since I have a wedding coming up, I picked up some in different price ranges, and you guys will also get an idea as to what all you can find there. So the store actually was launched by Geeta Madrigaru, and there were a lot of YouTubers, so you guys probably watched some of the videos and saw how the collection was, but I will quickly show you guys what all I got. So here we go. I have like a lot of sarees to show you guys, and let's get started. We'll start with something simple and then move on to Pattu sarees. So this is a beautiful Kota fancy saree, and I love the color combination. It is sort of like that orangey red. It is so beautiful, and the border is green. Again, it has two shades of green, and it's just too beautiful. I absolutely love this one, and it would look beautiful on every skin tone. Such a beautiful saree. You can wear it for like simple occasions, and it's very lightweight and super fancy, and it would suit anyone from any age group. A very beautiful saree, one of my favorites. This one is priced at 3,600, and actually they had a discount on the launch day. Now I'm not really sure, but if I find something, I'll leave it in the description box about the offers. I think on the day of the launch they had a really good offer, so you can follow them on their Instagram. Even if I come across any promotions or discounts, I'll post them on my Instagram, so do follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave my handle right here. I'm not going to open the entire saree, but this is what the pallu looks like. Again, very beautiful. I really like this combination of like light and dark green. Very beautiful. Next up we have Ikkat Pochampalli type of saree, and this one is a Seco saree. It's not the cotton one. Very beautiful color combination. These are actually pretty in now. Even if you go to Pochampalli, you'll see a lot of them, but this one actually has some mirror work, which is so beautiful. And this is like that pink, green and yellow. It's like a traditional combination, yet quite fancy. These are really good for gifting purpose as well, and they're very simple, and you can wear them for small occasions and smaller functions and pujas. Very beautiful saree. And again, this can be worn by everyone, like any age group, and the color also goes really well with every skin type. So this is for 4,900 again, which is like pretty good because Seco, and a lot of times actually I have used Seco dupattas. So I got cotton and Seco dupattas are itself so expensive, so I thought that was a pretty good price. Another one of those fancy sarees before we move into Pattu sarees. So this is a very beautiful combination. Again, it's an off-white gold champagne color with pink, and again looks very beautiful. Like if you are someone who wants to wear a saree but don't want to wear a Pattu saree, but again make it look a little grand, then this is perfect. Looks so beautiful. This is a fancy saree with a little bit of tissue, but it actually looks like something you can wear for like weddings or smaller functions. And this one is priced at 4,970 rupees. Very beautiful pick. And they have a lot of different colors in these fancy sarees. Look at this border, it looks so beautiful. I really like this one too. I get a little worried to open the saree and show you guys because the folding and everything will change, right? So yeah, this is the pallu. Now moving on to my favorite saree in this haul. It is so beautiful, right? It is a Kanchi lightweight saree. This is a tissue saree. Look at the color, it's so gorgeous, and everything is so pretty with these motifs, and it's a very beautiful shade of peach, pink and gold. Such a beautiful color, and this is what the border looks like. Very beautiful saree, and the price is actually pretty decent. This is 7,840 rupees. Such a beautiful saree, can be totally worn even if you are the bride. You can totally wear this for like your pelli kutru function and all that. If I had come across this earlier, I would have definitely worn it for mine. I wore a similar saree for my brother's engagement, and a lot if you guys really liked it. It was a very similar color, so if you're looking for something like that, then do check this out. They do have online delivery as well, if I'm not wrong. I'll leave their WhatsApp numbers here so you can order it even if you're from a different city. I believe a lot of you guys were asking me earlier if you're from Bangalore or if you're from US or other cities in India itself. They do deliver all over, so I'll leave their WhatsApp number, so do check it out. And of course, if you're in Hyderabad, do go to the store because you'll find a lot of different selections. It has like a gorgeous green pallu. It is so beautiful, right? I absolutely love this. It's too beautiful. Hands down my favorite saree in the recent times. A very beautiful color. I think my mom also really liked it, and I thought the price was also pretty decent. Another gorgeous saree if you're looking for something in lightweight, if you are wearing sarees, you know, if you just started wearing sarees but you're looking to wear something in Pattu, this is a Banaras lightweight saree. It's a beautiful combination. Again, it's a very bright color, so can be worn for weddings and other bigger occasions. Even if you have your own event also, you can wear something like this. So it's a very beautiful color. This is priced at 4,830, which is like quite decent, right? So this is a Banaras fancy saree, and yeah, very beautiful. The color is just too gorgeous, and the print and everything, the motifs here are also very beautiful. It looks quite grand because of the color. This one actually has a very grand, beautiful border, a beautiful pallu, so beautiful. The color is just too gorgeous. This is the last saree in the haul, and this is a Gadwal Pattu saree. So if you're looking to gift something for your mom or your grandmom or your aunt and all that, then this is great. And this was 9,940. If you guys know the pricing for Gadwal, usually I think that's a pretty good decent price. I have seen a lot of them recently because we were purchasing for my mom, my grandmom, my atta. We were looking at a lot of Gadwal sarees, so this is a very beautiful saree. I really like this one. So that was the last one of the sarees for today's video. I hope this was useful. If you're looking for saree shopping and if you're looking for something in budget friendly, affordable price range, then do check out this place. I have done one previous video also, so do check it out. So they have a lot of different variety in this new branch. They even have some in very budget friendly prices, which I haven't covered because I thought I did cover that last time, and also this time I was looking for something for, you know, wedding shopping because I have a lot of events coming up in my family. So that was the reason that I slightly covered you know, higher price range sarees too. I hope that was useful. So I'll leave the WhatsApp numbers in case you would like to check it out, and also I'll leave the store address and Google Maps location. They're in Chanda, Nagar. This is the Chanda Nagar branch, but this is the RSK Silks, but I think they do have other stores by different names. They're in Kukatpalli and other places too, so you know, you can check them out. I'll leave all their details in the description box. So that was it for today's video. I have a lot of videos coming up, especially related to my wedding shopping, a lot of videos on the saree shopping and all the dresses that I've gotten made for different occasions, and I also have the other videos from my wedding coming up. I am yet to get some of the videos, so that's the delay, but yeah, they're coming up, so stay tuned. And before you go, do subscribe to my channel, and I also leave my Instagram handle right here. Do find me there. I'm posting a lot of pictures there, so you do not want to miss them. And I also keep posting about a lot of discounts and new store launches like right this one, and a lot of other information and fun things. So do stay tuned and follow me there as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.